XPEV stock Thursday. Is XPEV stock a bar? Not to watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. XPeng stock analysis today is super simple because yeah, it's like half a percent down. I myself am still looking for the exact same approach that I had even previously. And it was all, pointing to what? To the downside and ultimately to the low at 618, which we're not that far away. Just a little recap before that. Like I started off being correct with 3R here, then I then was wrong. Then I was also correct with plus 2R. So in three trades, got two W's, and that put me up being 4% or just 4R. No matters how much you risk. But then I also am looking for some potential downside moves here, which if the rules are met, only then I'll buy. So it says that I'm waiting for my rules to be met. So yeah, man, like for context, even I'm using my strategy and system that's giving me thousands of wins in 2023. So if you want to learn my strategy framework and system for free, check out the first link in the description. See you in the next one.